Okay, continuing on with our career track discussion for different concentrations within business school. I want to talk to you now about the information technology or information systems concentration within many business schools, oftentimes called management information systems or MIS. Okay, for the MIS concentration, this is a really unique field. It's basically focuses on the use of technology systems to undertake quantitative analysis or recording or monitoring or managing of information within the business environment. Okay, and lots of times you use these programs to meet the analysis or processing needs for all the information coming in. So hence information systems. Well, typically it means familiarity with a number of different technology providers and their systems. Oracle, Cisco, Microsoft are some of the larger providers of different information systems that you're going to become familiar with and that are widely used across the industry. But again, new systems are coming on board every day, and these systems are constantly changing. So it's a very unique career. It's closely related to information technology itself, because again, information technology, these individuals are experts in this level, in this type of technology or in this program, etc., where the management of information systems, they're generally going to seek to manage or supervise the use of one or multiple of these systems, right? So the output from these systems. So there's a little bit less of a focus on pure proficiency in using the system itself, more focus on using the output for these systems and managing that data flow, and so you can effectively transmit it in the corporation so it can be used, so it can be utilized in a way that again benefits the company. So again, closely related to IT. Now, one area of information systems or information technology that's commonly confused is that with computer science or computer programming. Well, while there is a little bit of overlap, that you'll have some information technology person will have familiarity with different computer languages that are used by computer programmers or computer scientists. The computer scientist or programmer is going to be far more proficient in the different languages used and the different structures for how to structure software programs, either to use software as a service or to have a standalone desktop program itself. So they're going to be more focused again on some building the internal architecture and then the languages necessary to achieve the functionality required by that internal architecture for a computer system or program. Okay, so that's, and then of course the IT person will be proficient in using that program and within the organization. So that's kind of the dichotomy. Now, the job functions for an information technology or information systems concentration, I'm just going to give you a list that I put together: website management, e-commerce development, decision support systems, credit and billing systems, inventory control systems, software product development, knowledge management systems, and any form of business analyst. Right, so these are functions you have, and titles will look similar to those that you'll see for programmers or IT specialists or information system specialists. Programmer, system analyst, database manager, computer specialist, network administrator, which is probably one of the most common, I would say, network administrator or specialist, software developer, project lead, IT consultant, or in some cases an application developer. So with that in mind, again, it's a very up and coming field, tons of demand in this field because we are such a data driven and a technology driven market at this point. So again, it's a great concentration, and it gives you some key technical skills that are almost always missing or absent with other business concentrations.